Hello people! Ibabahagi ko sa inyo for today's vlog ang aking experience sa Boracay with my family. So last year, umuwi pala ako sa Pinas dahil it was my mom's 70th birthday. So from Davao, my mom and I traveled to Cebu, and then the following day, which is on this video clip, nagkita-kita na kami ng kapatid ko and aking brother-in-law and their family sa airport, sa Mactan International Airport, papunta ng Boracay. So when we landed in Caticlan Airport sa Boracay guys, ay minute na lang kami ng aming tour guide. So they're very organized. Obviously, they've been in the business for how long, so they have all the experience. So we trusted this company talaga to guide us all throughout our journey. Sa part na ito guys, ay napaka-excited na namin makarating sa aming destinasyon. So if you can hear our conversations. So binayaran na ng tour guide yung lahat ng mga kailangang bayaran, which is included na sa aming package. And then, sumakay na kami ng bangka papunta ng Boracay Island. So yun guys, it was a smooth journey. Hindi ko na na-document yung mga ibang ganap kasi nga ay busy na kami noon. Mag-check-in sana pero we were too early pa pala for our check-in. So ang check-in time nila is 3 o'clock. So ang ginawa namin ay lumabas na lang muna kami. And buong akala namin ang layo ng D-Mall sa hotel namin kasi nang-stay kami sa Hanan. So walking distance lang pala siya. Anyway, it was our first time naman kaya okay lang. So sumakay kami nitong tricycle, yung parang tricycle papuntang D-Mall kasi nga maghahanap kami kung saan kami kakain ng aming lunch. So medyo pagoda na rin kami yan kasi maaga rin kami sa airport. So pero in-enjoy na lang talaga namin obviously kasi andito nga kami para mag-enjoy, mag-relax, and of course to celebrate my mom's 70th birthday. So yan guys, so yan yung D-Mall nila. So pagkapasok nyo, ang daming mga restaurants, mga shops. So napaka-lively ng vibe talaga doon at mag-enjoy kayo. So it was my first time. Mag-enjoy talaga ako at gusto kong bumalik ulit next time. So ayan guys, naghahanap kami yan. And then after namin nag-lunch ay naglakad-lakad muna kami sa my beach side. And yun nga, ang ganda-ganda guys. Ang ganda ng area, ang linis, and napaka-pino nung sand. Alam niyo yung feeling guys na ma-refresh ka talaga at mawawala yung mga stress mo sa katawan. Ay nako. So bumalik na kami sa kwarto kasi napagod na si mother. So ayan, yan yung kanilang toilet and bath. So makikita niyo dyan, meron siyang blinds. Pwede niyo yan isarado of course for privacy habang naliligo ka. So ayan yung kanilang toilet and bath. Meron din pala silang complimentary toiletries guys. So meron ng mga shampoo, soap, and toothpaste at kung ano-ano pa. So, yan yung bed namin ni mother. So, isa yung double and isa yung single. Tapos, ayan, may tali or TV sila. And of course, hindi mawawala yung kanilang vanity mirror. So, may pa-table and chairs din sila dyan kung gusto nyo magkape and all that. So, ayan yung room, ang view ng room. Sa labas, guys, ito naman yung view sa labas. So, pagka-open mo nyan, ayan, may coffee table ulit. Ayan, kung gusto mo magkape sa labas at may view ka. So, from our room, makikita mo yung swimming pool and other areas outside the hotel. Just below that, yan yung kanilang restaurant. So, yan yung view namin sa aming room. So, sa minibar naman nila ay makikita mo may mga cups and saucers, drinking glasses, and then meron din, andyan din yung kettle and water jug nila. And then, yung fridge nila ay walang laman. So, kailangan mong mag-order talaga sa bar. Ayan. So, yan lang yung room tour at nagpahinga na si mother dahil gusto na niyang mag-sleep muna. And ako naman ay na-board. So, pumunta kami ng ate ko sa beach side at nag-relax-relax lang kami, inom ng milk tea. Nag-people watching din kami, and of course, overload bonding and chikahan dahil na-miss ko ang aking ate. Yun lang guys. Thanks for watching!